If you want to make your X, formerly Twitter, account private, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to protect your posts, limit who can see your content, and make sure only approved followers can view what you share. This is a great option if you want more privacy, more control, and a more personal posting experience on X. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but the steps are very similar either way. Once you're signed in, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. This is where X keeps additional account settings and privacy controls. Click More, then open Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where you can manage your account preferences, security options, and privacy features. If you're trying to make your account private, this is the section you need. Next, in the Settings menu, search for Protect Your Posts. On some accounts, you may see this under the Privacy and Safety options. The easiest way to find it is by using the search bar or by scrolling through the available settings until you see it. Once you find Protect Your Posts, click to open it. You should see an option that lets you turn this setting on. When you enable Protect Your Posts, your account becomes private, which means your posts will no longer be visible to the general public. Go ahead and turn on Protect Your Posts. X may ask you to confirm the change, so if a prompt appears, just approve it. After that, the setting will be active on your account. Now here's what happens once your account is private. Only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts. If someone wants to follow you, they will need your approval first. That gives you much more control over who can view your content, reply to your posts, and follow your activity. It's also important to understand that if your posts are protected, they won't be publicly searchable in the same way. That means people who are not following you won't be able to freely browse your tweets or see your updates unless you accept them as a follower. If you ever want to make your account public again, you can simply go back into the same settings and turn Protect Your Posts off. So this is something you can change anytime depending on how private you want your account to be. To quickly recap, the steps are: log into X, click More, open Settings and Privacy, find Protect Your Posts, turn it on, and confirm the change if prompted. That's all it takes to make your X account private. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.